Here we have a Dake 14-inch horizontal bandsaw. It is unused. It has some shipping distress. We're going to show you that in a minute here. Most of all, it does operate. We checked all the functions on here. Most of the components electrically and mechanically operate fine. We're going to power it up, pull the e-stop out, turn the machine on, light goes on. A 3-speed belt drive with a bow door motor, 230 volts, single phase. Hit the stop button. There it's on. E-stop operates. That doesn't include a blade. The blade broke off during shipment. But we checked the belt tensioner, or the blade tensioner. It operates nice. All the components on the top end operate. Alright, so what happened here was the table actually broke loose from the mounts, okay, and it appears that the two bolts holding the rocker on right here, well, they're broke off into the table, so they're going to have to be extracted. Alright, it's probably going to need maybe a few more components here. We're not quite sure, but in any case, that needs repair. Also, not quite sure where the blade guard goes. There might be a few components right here missing. But anyway, that came off too also. Other than that, it's in really good condition. It's got a few little minor paint scuffs. And we printed out a user manual and parts manual so you can order parts from Dake. And we thank you for looking at our product.